Some places don't just look beautiful, they remember things. Mountains, rivers, forests. They've been teaching long before we started rushing past them. When you stand in a place like this, something shifts, not because you try to change, but because you finally slow down enough to listen. Nature teaches without words, through wind on your skin, through the sound of water, through silence that actually says something. Sacred places were never meant to be consumed. They were meant to be entered with attention, with respect, with curiosity. Here, learning isn't mental, it's sensory. You learn through your feet on the ground, your breath finding a new rhythm, your nervous system remembering what calm feels like. This is what transformation looks like, not forcing growth, but allowing it. When we gather in nature, something powerful happens, not because of the schedule or the plan, but because we're sharing presence. Group experiences amplify awareness. You feel seen without needing to perform. You listen more deeply. You remember you're not doing this alone. In these moments, we rewild ourselves. We shed the noise. We come back to what's essential. Nature doesn't ask you to become something new. It invites you to remember who you were before the world got loud. And when you leave, you don't take the mountain with you. You take the feeling, the clarity, the knowing. That's the power of transformational experiences in nature. They don't end when you go home. They change how you walk through everything that comes next.